Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to grow on threads. And guys, there are a few ways. So now I'm going to show you all the ways. So now just go to your threads application. So guys, at first if you just creating your account, then you can simply share your profile though Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter and other social media. So you can send the link to your friends. On this way they can follow you and your followers will increase. And the other way is go to your newsfeed. And then we can see or finds here a lot of interesting things or funny and recommended posted which we are very attracted by. So we can also share interesting and attractive posts to attract others. And this way they will surely follow us and our followers will increase. And guys, one more interesting thing is that we can try to follow for some accounts like this. So in this way, they also probably follow us back. And that's how also the followers will increase. So guys, I hope all the ways I have shown will be useful for you. So guys, that's it. That's how you can grow on threads very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.